You want to make sure that you and your accountant have a great relationship. And I understand they're one of your most important partners as you grow your 6 and 7 figure business. But you may not know what questions to ask. Well, no fear, no worries, because Octavia is here. And I'm going to provide you with the 5 top questions you must ask your accountant. So stay tuned. Hello, everyone. Octavia Connor here, your #1 virtual CFO and CEO of Say Yes to Profits. We help multi 6 figure businesses cross the $1 million mark sooner than they think by providing strategic insight and high-level financial management support. Today, I'm going to provide you with the 5 top questions you want to ask your accountant. Question number 1, and I would venture to say the most important question: how much cash do I need on a monthly basis? How much cash do you need to earn? Here's what you want to do. I want you to not only ask how much cash do you need on a monthly basis, but how much cash do you need on a weekly basis? Your accountant can then prepare a cash flow forecast that identifies the money that is going in your company and the money that is going out of your company on a weekly basis. And this will let you know exactly what you must earn in order to generate a profit in your business. Which leads to question number 2. How can I make my business more profitable? Now, here's the thing. There are really only 4 ways you can generate more profits in your business. And in my book, Say Yes to Profits Now, I've identified those 4 ways in details. For the purpose of this video, I'll only do a brief overview of them. So number 1, price. The best way to generate more profit in your business is to increase your price. As a matter of fact, you want to make sure that all of your services and all of your products are priced for profit. But as you're increasing your price, the key thing is to keep your expenses low, which leads to the second and third way to generate more profits in your business. You want to pay close attention to your fixed costs and your variable costs. Now, normally your variable costs will increase as you begin to generate more sales. So for example, if you are an author and more people are purchasing your books, then maybe you will have to buy more books. So then your variable costs will increase. Your fixed costs, on the other hand, should remain the same. They should be consistent. Fixed costs such as rent and salary are just some, just to name a few. You want to make sure that you focus on decreasing your variable costs as well as your fixed costs as much as you can. Number 4, sales volume. Sales volume is the 4th way to generate more profits in your business. You want to increase the amount of sales that you earn in your company. Again, the key thing is, as you're increasing your sales, as you are increasing your prices, you want to decrease your expenses. Question number 3, where did my cash go and how can I keep more of it? Now, honestly, there are really only 3 ways that cash is leaving your business. Number 1, your operating expenses. This is the day-to-day operations of your business. Number 2, financing. Have you purchased any equipment over the last several months or weeks? Then money is leaving out of your business due to the investment in your equipment. And number 3, investments. Have you received any loans, such as from the SBDC? Have you started paying those loans? Then money is more than likely leaving your business from investment. You want to get a clear picture of how the money is exiting your company. And you want to make sure that money is not just leaving your company for no reason at all. If it is, then that means you have money leaks. So your accountant should be able to identify how much money is going towards operating expenses, which of those operating expenses are considered money leaks because they're not benefiting your company, how much money is going towards financing, and how much money is going towards investments. Question number 4, what is my estimated tax liability? This is a very important question, and you do not want to wait until it's time to pay your actual taxes to determine how much you owe. You want to know exactly what you are predicted to owe month after month, and your accountant can simply pull your reports and give you an estimate of how much you are to pay in taxes. Once your accountant gives you this information, I recommend that you set this amount to the side. So that way, when it's time to pay, the money is there and you're not scrambling to find the cash so that you don't owe any additional interest or penalties because you do not have the money to pay at the right time. Question number 5. What is the best form of communication? This is highly important because as a virtual accounting firm, we speak with our clients through multiple avenues. However, we have one form of communication that allows them to instantly communicate with us. And you want to make sure that at very important times in your business, you're able to reach out to one of your most important partners, which is your accountant. You want to make sure that you can communicate with them quickly and they can communicate with you quickly. And there are different forms. You have instant chat with different apps, you have emails, you have phone calls, but you definitely want to get clear on the best method in which you are to communicate with your accountant. What I have provided you are the 5 top questions you want to ask your accountant. Now, do you have any questions for me? If so, leave them below. Also, make sure that you share this video and like this video as well. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you would like to speak with me further, feel free to schedule your discovery session today by going to sayyes2profits.com/session. sayyes2profits.com/session. Now you know what time it is. When I say yes, you will say to profits. Say yes
to profits.
Say yes
to profits.
All right. I look forward to seeing you again next week. Toodles.